But what is very important and where the asset is the performance of the artist or artists in the studio. That's the actual value. It isn't on that final mix that people perceive as a work of art. U2 and the Stones and various other people, and Damon Albarn from the Gorillaz, he perceives his work of art as that mix, and that is absolutely fair enough. I'm a super hi-fi geek, so I listen to all these mixes, and I've got to say, Damon Albarn, I see his point, you know, that's fair enough. But there's a lot of other people who want to involve their fans, and you can do it through so many ways. You can do it through the different apps, you can start to do karaoke, you can do branded virtual goods, you can do games, you can do callback ringtones, you can do musical snippets that you tweet to each other, each expressing your individuality, but under the umbrella of that artist that you like. So, in summary, it is pretty astonishing what the music industry has managed to do it to itself, and it has done it to itself. I think there's a paradigm shift. I think that what is tremendously exciting is that you have something that immediately delivers emotions and immediately connects to people, something that you're all talking about in gaming, you know, which is obviously a very important component in gaming. How do you achieve that? And music, it's there already for you to make games around and to exploit and help the music industry. I think that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, David, very much. I've got a quick question. I may have blinked and just missed it, but is there a price point decided yet? And if you buy it, what exactly do you get?
Okay. The price point is to be decided because I think that we should listen to what the consumers want, and we can bundle. What you actually buy at the moment from this application is a downloaded full track, which is CD quality. So you have your own CD quality mix that you can put on your device. It lives on our servers until you buy it. So you can stream it on Facebook, you can stream it within our app, but you can't actually own it and put it in a playlist until you buy it. And then we're free to bundle it. You know, we can do 2 ringtones and 2 mixes or whatever we want. Or you buy your ringtone, which can be anywhere within the song with any of the different mixes from 1 second to 26 seconds.
Right, okay. Any other questions for David about music?
You mentioned rock bands. You mentioned Rock Band towards the start, and late last year Harmonix launched the Rock Band Network, which allows, you know, indie artists and that sort of thing to essentially run their own tracks for Rock Band games and put it up without having to go through like publisher approval. Now, do you think they saw this sort of struggle coming in the same way that you've seen the struggle coming for the industry, and as a result, fixed platforms like Music Mine and the Rock Band Network are basically the way forward for the music industry?
I think, very good question. I think that Rock Band is slightly different because you're going into the console environment. And that what they're doing is they're outsourcing production, if you like. And that is a game that you play with. Whereas for us, what we see is that this is actually interactive music and is about delivering that musical experience and musical gene, if you like, to people who've never played an instrument in their life. So it's slightly different, but I think it is very much along the same lines, yes. Yeah. 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 Absolutely. No more plain vanilla kind of downloads.